Hey guys, it's TK from Profit Stream, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to conduct your market research. Market research is extremely important for businesses of all sizes, because when you do your market research, now you can make informed decisions, reduce risk and uncertainties, and increase your competitive advantages. Now, the first step of market research is market discovery. Market discovery is knowing that there's even a market for your product. In simpler terms, if there's even people willing to pay money for your product. And a simple way to do that is going on Google, searching your product type or the topic surrounding it, followed by market analysis. For instance, you have a product, such as hair gel for dogs, and you want to see if there's a market for it. You can just type in pet hair care products with the words market analysis or market report in front of it, and you can get free reports. For instance, I just googled pet hair care market. In this report, you can see the market size. It's projected to grow about $1 billion in 5 years, which is fantastic news. Okay, so there is a market. Now that you know that there's a market for your product, now it's time to learn about your audience. Now, for understanding your audience better, you can go on social media, Amazon reviews, Facebook Marketplace comments. You can even analyze the reviews on your competitors' websites. You can even use tools like Google Forms to make surveys to get a deeper understanding of your audience. And finally, you can do focus groups and interviews with potential customers to get an even deeper view on their pain points and difficulties and how you can make it better. Now that we know our audience, it's time to know our competitors. To know your competitors, there are 2 steps. First step is you have to ask yourself these 3 questions. Who offers similar products or services to your target audience? Who caters the same needs but with different solutions? And who are the new players in the market that might pose a future threat? Now that you've narrowed down your competitors, visit their websites to learn more about their product, their pricing, quality, shipping, customer reviews, and if available, marketing and sales. Basically anything that can give you a competitive edge. Now you know how to do your market research, but remember to use a combination of these methods to get an even deeper understanding of your market. Till next time, it's TK from Profit Stream. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till next time, it's TK from Profit Stream.